Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, I've been absent for a little while and I did record a video of like favourites the other day, but the file got corrupted and I was not happy. So today I purchased the Naked Basics 2 or Naked 2 Basics, whatever you want to call it. And I thought that I would do a video with swatches and comparisons to the first one because I have all the Nakeds and I'm a fan of Naked, basically. So I'm not going to go too into it because I want to do a blog post which will be up probably at the end of the week. This is the palette. When I took it out, I was like, oh, it's small. Oh, is it smaller than the other one? And it's not, it's the same size, but for me, I guess it just was smaller. I don't know. I'm so weird. These are all cool tones. I do think is Primal or Cover is a little bit warm. I think it's Cover, but regardless anyway, this is the palette. These are the shades and I'm a huge fan of matte shadows. I have quite a few of them in my collection, palettes, singles, things like that. I've only recently gotten into them, maybe about 2 or 3 years ago, so I'm big on shimmery satin type shadows on my eyes. Because I have big eyes, I feel like I can pull it off, it's fine. But yeah, Urban Decay states 6 matte shadows. It's clearly not, it's 5 with 1 satin here. The satin is Skimp, which is like a, I want to put the swatches on my hand. It's a lovely kind of beige satin finish. It's really, really pretty. It's probably not even showing on the camera, but again, I will link the blog posts. Actually, I'll put them together so you can see. This one here is called Stark, and this is the matte one. And it's just very like a skin color. It's a bit darker than my skin color. It's a very greyish cream color. So if you can see, fair play to you, because it's very, very hard to get a look off it. Then we have Frisk. Frisk is a beautiful kind of light greyish brown color, and I think this is probably my favorite shade because it's so pretty. I'm building it up so that you can see. So that's what that one there looks like. Perfect transition color. Really, really beautiful. Like, it's just stunning, seriously stunning. Then we have Cover. And Cover to me is kind of like a greyish brown, but I kind of see a bit of red to it. Now, where I park this, that just could be me in this lighting. So that's it there. Beautiful kind of lid color. Again, this could be something to use as a transition. I would use this as a transition color because I'm not afraid to be big and bold. I mean, hello. But it's just stunning. Like, it's really, really stunning. There is a bit of red to it in this lighting anyway. Then we have Primal. I'm going to put this on my arm, so do excuse the hairy arms. Well, not that hairy. This again is just like a dark kind of greyish brown, but it's just stunning. It's right there. It's deep, dark, beautiful. I'm loving it, really am loving it. And then we have, I'm gonna swatch this over here, which is awkward. This kind of dark, this is like a dark greyish color. What? Dark grey. This is a dark grey. It's kind of like a slate grey. So that's it there. Beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can kind of see that dark grey color all over the lid, but with like Frisk in the crease. I might do a video doing that. But yeah. Let's get the wipes out to clean the hands. I'm not even editing this out, guys, because I can't. My computer's broken. So I can't access editing tools, so I'm just gonna have to keep it real with me. I am very sorry. But yeah, this is the palette once again. I will show you. I love it. I honestly do love it. Everything is so smooth and buttery. It's quite difficult when I use other matte shades because there isn't anything that compares to Urban Decay when it comes to quality of shadows. I mean, I even question my Too Faced matte shadows because Urban Decay are so good at doing their shadows. I got this last year, the Naked Basics, the original, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Now, the black I hardly use because I'm not big on black around my eyes personally, but I mean, Venus and Naked 2 have hit pan, and the rest are really on their way out to being kind of gone. Like, those two have considerable dips in them. Seriously. But when it comes to comparing the two, there is obviously the huge difference of one is more cool toned, one is a little bit more warmer. I definitely think like you don't need both, but I'm just an addict and I need them both. Well, not need, want them both, I guess. I work hard for my money. I shouldn't have to kind of justify that. But what I would say is that do your research and do your research on your own collection and see, do you need both or do you want one over the other? I personally like both because I prefer warm and cool tones and I mix them together on my eyes, so for that reason alone, that is why I have two. But if you're someone that prefers kind of warmer tones on the eyes, then definitely just stick with the original. But if you're into the coolers, clearly pick the Naked 2 Basics. But just don't ever feel that you should get both just because somebody else has both. Do what you want to do and research your collection to see what you would wear. Are there similar-ish shades in your collection that you would wear, and then go for whichever one. I don't know if that made any sense. Maybe it was a bit harpery. I was going on a bit. But yeah, because I do have all of the Naked palettes, including the 2 Basics, I was going to do a comparison post or video in the next kind of week, I guess, so that you guys can get a good in-depth review on all, what I prefer, what my friends prefer, and why. And then if you're thinking of asking for some for Christmas, or you're going to get some for Christmas, then the video will give you a bit of a helping hand. So I don't know if that is a good idea or not. Don't steal my idea because I'll find it. And yeah, I hope you all have a good day. Hope that your week is good, and I'll see you soon. Bye.